Reggae Girlz striker Khadijah Shaw has described her nomination for several CONCACAF awards as well as the R.J.R. Gleaner Foundation National Sportswoman of the Year as a testimony to the quality of her team. The Reggae Girlz' historic qualification to the 2019 World Cup is being celebrated in a whirlwind 3 days of activities. Speaking at a media meet and greet on Sunday, Shaw acknowledged that she was overwhelmed after being nominated for the prestigious awards. The Spanish Town native paid homage to her team for her recognition.
It's always good, being nominated for something, but it's a team sport, and if it wasn't for my team, I wouldn't be nominated. If the defenders didn't win the ball, to play to the midfield, to play to me, so it's just a team thing, and I feel like with my team there and motivating me and helping me, that alone I need.
But she admitted that she's moved by the nominations.
I mean, it's hard work, and playing the position that I am the number 9. My team look for me to score goals, and to be the one that's scoring the goals and helping my team, especially qualifying for the World Cup, is just a humbling and a great feeling.
Meanwhile, Reggae Girlz ambassador Sidella Marley has likened the team's historic qualification to the World Cup to the birth of a child.
I've given birth 3 times, and I think that felt like the 4th time I gave birth. It was just exciting, it was overwhelming, and it was just overall a positive experience because I know the girls have fought for a long time to get to this position, and we had a lot of people who did not believe that they could actually accomplish what they did accomplish, and to me that's another joy, people think you're like an underachiever and you just overachieve and surpass expectations.
The celebrations began on Saturday with a civic ceremony and a parade in Montego Bay through Spanish Town and into Kingston, where a gospel concert at Emancipation Park is now on in earnest. After a flurry of courtesy calls, the team will be hosted by Prime Minister Andrew Holness at a reception on Monday evening. They will end the celebrations with a day of fun in Ocho Rios on Tuesday.